Let's start the session, guys. Mr. Bangish, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, sir.
All right. So, in our last session, we did post some transactions. Okay, so how we can post transactions? We need first to have enterprise structure, global
Yeah.
settings, and you know the value of those settings that can be used,
Sir,
are
please,
used.
if you don't mind, can I ask you for a favor? Can you revise the previous lecture of yesterday? Yesterday's lecture, just go through because due to certain issue in the internet, I wasn't able to hear properly. So that's what I want to do. Request, please.
Okay, so you want me to walk you through what we covered in our last session?
Yes, it will be good because it will be. There will be a gap and there are breaks, so I couldn't understand. This is the thing.
Okay, all right. So we covered till actually we did postings, normal postings, and then there are different types of posting in SAP, right? Let's say you want to post something that you are sure that you are paying rent, you can post F-0 true. System will actually post and update all the tables, and relevant underlying programs will be executed. GL balances will be updated. But in case you are not sure about anything in the transaction, let's say invoice, something is missing, amount you are not sure, you receive the correct invoice against the goods you receive, right? So in that scenarios, you have a opportunity in SAP, a program where you can park a document. Let's say you receive and you are not sure, right, if it's the correct invoice, correct amount, you want to park it. Or the other scenario is, in companies we have always tolerances, approval workflow system where employee of certain groups can or cannot post a document or pay an invoice, right? So in that case, we always park. Junior person will do the data entry, will park, and then at the back end there is some customizations. The senior person will get an email, and then he will approve that document, and then or he can post also, right? Different scenarios. So in our last session, actually we started with postings, direct postings, final postings, and then we learned how to, and after we post we learned how to see the balances, GL balances, different reports available in SAP system, right? And then we covered how to park a document, how to post a park document, how to display a document, how to display the posted document, how to see the balances in GL, how to see different reports, how to change a park document, how to delete a park document, right? And how to park a single line item document, right? And how to delete. Next, we will cover, I believe, sample document. But first, I will post some documents for you. Right? You said you had some issues with your internet, right? So the T code to post a document, final document, is F-02.
Okay.
Right? Screen will open. You need to fill these fields.
And how, who will give us this information, sir, to
You will
complete?
you will receive, right, the invoice, right?
Okay.
You have where you, this is not you who will do this data entry. That's the business, right?
Yeah.
You will not do these data entry. Business will do, right? Will develop. You develop their document type, you develop their company code, you develop their exchange rate and currencies, you develop their posting period, fiscal year period, you created GLs, right, chart of account, and all those things you developed, and they are now using it, right?
Yeah.
So now let's say if he is posting a document and he is unable to post a document, then you will help, right? You're a support person, right? SAP expert,
Oh, oh, oh,
right? If there is a new guy in the company and he's posting a document and he's posting a document with SS, right?
yeah,
So SS, there is no document type SS, right?
yeah.
Right, right. If you post
Let's say I learned this course, I did everything. Okay, everything.
focus, please focus. What I am doing is F-02. Don't go and think about anything other than this F-02 posting,
Okay,
right? You are thinking way ahead. Focus on this screen, Bangish.
okay.
What I'm trying to say, right? Now, a person is posting with the wrong document type, system will give error,
Error.
right? What document type should be SA?
SA, SS, SS. Okay.
SA, right? Now you will enter. Now you will enter the amount, right? How much you are paying. For example, you are going to pay 5,000, right? Business area. Why these? There is a sign like this. Look. Why? In business area also you see. Tell me now.
The
Why this?
reason is this is not for entry. This is already signed.
No.
I mean, this is the area we can choose. We can
No.
do selection. We can put.
No. You forgot. You we defined when we were working on fields. I mean the enterprise structure, right?
Yeah.
And then global settings.
Yeah.
We have defined field status variant and field status group.
Yeah.
Within those field status variant and within field status group, and if I ask you what is field status variant and field status group, you won't be able to answer because you are not practicing.
Mm.
So that's why you don't know why there is a sign, right? In other fields there is no like this sign, right? This
Yeah.
sign is a sign that this field is a required field. If you don't enter anything in these two fields, system will give you an error message. Let's see what error message is coming. So I'm paying rent, right? Now when I enter, well, as soon as I will enter, system will say business area is a required field. Fill in the required fields.
Record.
Why these required? Where you made these fields required? In field status, variant, business area. Now if I enter again, it will give me error message, right? Unless you fill these two fields.
Yeah.
Now no error, right? Posting key is 50, right? Not 5. Now here you can enter 1000. Value date is a required field. We also made this field as a required field. Text is a required field. You can say rent paid, and then you can simulate, or you can go from here and simulate. Now fill in the required field, business area again, right? Unless you simulate system. Okay, now this is the on the first line I entered 5,000. On the second line I entered 10,000. Wrong, right? Entry is
Correct.
not balance. There is a minus 5,000 balance. No, system won't allow you to post. You have to
Okay.
change this. Either make 10,000 or make 5,000. Understand?
Mm-hmm.
Now it's balance. Now you post. We have posted a GL document. A number will allotted by the system, document number 4. You want to view this document, go to menu bar, go to display. We can change also. Go to display. System will go to FB03 transaction code, where you will see whatever you posted, that entry, right?
Okay.
These fields can be changed. If you want to bring this field up here, you will go here,
Yeah.
right? This is a layout you can change. Anything you want to change, bring new fields, because not all fields are available, right? You want to bring something else too, you can.
Yeah.
Fields which are not available, let's say you want to bring, no, not choose layout, you have to go to change layout, right? Go to change layout. These are on the left side are the column that are displayed here, right? And anything which is not displayed here you can bring it in, right? You can bring in the trading partner field, which is not available. Save it, and now you will see trading partner field will come. Understood?
Yeah.
You can make this layout as your default layout as well. Anyway, this is the document that we posted, and if you want to go directly FB03, you can go also. Latest document by default system will bring it in. If you don't know the document, go to document list, put in the information what year you want to search the document for, 2020, right? Document type, if you know, is fine, otherwise system will search in the background, and then system is telling you for 2000 fiscal year no document, right? We have to put 2020, right? Now
Yeah.
if you execute, system will bring that 4 documents are posted so
This
far.
what we did here. The arrow you just put the mouse just above. ये clock के साथ घड़ी. ये green. ये what's this?
Execute,
Okay.
right? This is double click this document, we will go to that document, right?
Execute and save.
Execute meaning to run a program. This is a
Mm.
program, right? It's find a document for you. Now this document, this is done, then we learned how to park a document. FB V1 is the T code to park a document, right? Document will not be posted. Oh, sorry. If
So
F-02, hold on. F-02, right? We posted a document. We displayed the document. Now I'll show you how to check the balance. FS10N is the T code to check the balances in the GL. Now you have to enter the GL. If you don't enter any GL here, all GL which are in company code 555 will be displayed. Execute. So no, they have to uh, enter GL, right? But there is another report where you don't need to enter a GL. You can wide open, you can execute. These are the periods. We have 12 periods in a calendar year, 12 months. Then we have in accounting 4 posting, special posting period. We learned this in our enterprise structure and global setting classes. Why we have 4 special period? If you have any mistakes in those period posting, you can rectify those, because you, once the period is closed, you cannot change anything, right? You have to reopen the period. So in order to you can do, don't open the posting periods, but go and post it in the special period adjustment entries. Now next, these are the balances, right? So far we have 66,000 posting in June. Double click, it will show all the documents that are posted, when posted, who posted, all those things, balances. Now next, this is a balance, right? You check. Now there is a report FBL 3N, right? As I said, on FS10N, if you don't enter any GL, system won't allow you to execute the transaction. But in this report, for this open items on 5 for company 555, this particular date, you can execute all the documents that are posted with the GL balances. This is a salaries account, and this is bank account. In bank account, you have these many postings, 4 documents, and in salaries, we have only posted 1 document, and in wages, we have 1 document posted, right? And rent, we have 2 document posted. Understood?
yeah.
That you can check the balances. Now we will show. I'll show you how to park a document. FB V, it's 0 or 1.
So one question. Let's say you are putting a code over here, the T code. Okay. FBV something. Previously, we used to go by the menu bar, then we go to the enterprise like this. Enterprise is done. Is there?
Listen, hold on. As easy access screen, go to accounting. Every transaction in SAP has a transaction code, or you can go through menu path, financial accounting, general ledger posting, right? Document entry. Then you can go from here, general posting, same screen. You have this in your document, sir. You are not working in your SAP system.
Yeah, I have this in my document, but
So
I'm not
what?
saying the code. But my question is, instead of putting code, is there any other way to go? So that's what I wanted to know.
Why this? What? I told you in every class, in
Yeah.
SAP system, You can go from the transaction code, and you can also go through menu path. This
So I am saying, let's say you go through SPRO mode. Okay.
not
So how?
SPRO, sir. This is a end user transaction. You already developed. You completed your development of your company. Now you are posting using those settings that you made already.
So the GL system comes in the in the user end side.
Yeah, you did develop the chart of account and the GL. Now you will post a transaction, right? To post a transaction, you need to go easy access screen, not SPRO, not the developer mode screen.
Okay.
That is mentioned also in the notes, sir.
Okay.
Now you can go right from here, financial accounting, document entry, F-02. There are different T codes for different purposes, right? You can also go from here to park a document, right?
Yeah.
Edit or park a doc, FV50, right?
Yeah.
Right. So here, what is document? Change, right? These you can see park documents here, post, right?
Okay.
You can also go right, change, right?
Right.
Now we will go to, you can go to post park a document, FBV1.
50. Okay.
FB50 is to post a document, not park, right? Go enter the dates, put the document type. What is document type definition?
Document type definition.
Yes, sir. You sleep whole day. What you do?
I don't sleep whole day.
Uh-huh. You can't, right? Otherwise we would, right?
No, I don't. Uh, document
Don't emphasize on sleeping. Tell me what is document type.
document type. They mostly we put document type the code 5050.
No, I'm saying what is document type. You are asking me question on top of question, right?
Yeah.
Answer me. Don't ask me question over question. Answer me, or tell me I don't know.
I don't know.
Why you don't know then? Why?
Can you give me a little bit hint? Where did I
No,
study
I'm
so
not
I
gonna
can?
give you hint. I give you complete an hour class on this. Why you need a hint? Now this is how you park a document, right? $3,000 salaries to bank. We are paying the salaries. Let's say example. You can post any entry, and then you can park a document. This when we save it, system will park this document. System will not post a document. Difference between park and post is when you park, no balances will not be updated in the system. System won't calculate anything. It's just a parking. When you post from park, system will update the balance. Right now it's 3,000, right? This 3,000 balance will not update to these salaries and bank. When you park, when you post, it will update, right? I'll show you when I park the document, I'll show you the balances. This balance will not update. When I'll post, this 3,000 balance will update. I'll save the
Now you
document.
didn't post the
Now,
document.
so document 5 was parked. Now, when the document is parked, you will not see any document GL balance update, right? FS10N, right? If you go FS10N is the T code to see the balances. You execute the transaction. C is on 66,000 as we saw before, right? Now if you double click, there is no 3,000, right? 1,050, 10,000, 5,000. Now when I will post this document, after this 5,000, a 3,000 entry will update here. Just observe.
Okay. So
Now
you are posting the document.
I parked it and now I'm going to post. Now this is the park document. You can also go to change mode from here, and you can also post from here, I think. Yes. No, this is grayed out, right? You are in a change mode. So if you want to change anything, you can see, you can write salaries paid. This is a change, right? I forgot to write something, and then you can change it. Right now, if you want to post this document, you have to go a different transaction code, which is FBV1. Sorry, FBV0, excuse me. Post, right? Latest document will come.
FBB0 is for to post.
Yes, see your notes. Now then you post it, right? When I post, then GL balances will update, right? Document is posted. Now I will show you the GL balances, right? Now when I refresh, execute, is 69 now from 66. Now you see this 3000 will update. To see here, we just posted.
Okay.
Double click it, it will take you to the document display. From here you can change the document also. Locked by another user, this document is open somewhere, right? You cannot open on two places. If you come out of this, then you can change it, right?
मेरा क्वेश्चन ये आपने दो वो खोले हैं, दो सर्वर्स खोले हैं.
No, this is one. Why? You can
Yeah,
open up
no.
to 5 sessions, right?
5 seconds. No. The when you go by the right side downside. So what's that from where you are copying to post the document?
I don't get your question. What do you
No,
say?
the arrow with S. There's an arrow. The नीचे और नीचे.
Arrow?
Arrow mean the icon for the SAP. Icons for the SAP.
Okay. Oh, this geographical.
Yeah,
Okay.
so what you do over here, you copied a value or something like this.
I didn't copy anything.
Yeah, okay.
This is just I executed, right? I double click it. That's simple.
Double click the value.
Yeah. This is a function, right? This is a normal function, right? You execute, right, to check the GL balance. Then this balance in this period, right? 6 period, you have 69,000 postings, right? You want to see the detail breakdown, right? Double click it. Then its system will show you the documents, right? This 69 is the sum of all those documents that you posted, right?
In 6 months, 6 periods.
6 period, right?
Mm-hmm.
More you practice, more clarity you will get. Now, what else? Now, you can delete a park document also. So we don't have any document which is park. We will park another document. We'll post another document. Give document type SA. Give posting key 40. Give any GL. This time I am paying wages, so I will debit wages account, debit. Debit is expense. Enter 5000. Business area as a required field. Now you will go enter 50 as posting key. Give your bank account, right? Give your bank account, then press enter. Go to the next item. 50,000, same amount will be balanced. GL balance should be balanced. So I'm saying wages paid, and then give the value date, today's date, simulate the document, and park the document. Now this document is parked. Now you want to delete this document, right? You see, there is a deletion. No, there is no deletion, right? So there is entry delete item. So delete item, right? It will delete the item, right? Let's see what it will delete. Okay, data will be lost. Yes. No, it's not deleted. Now to delete a Park document, you have to go FB65, I believe. Let me check the T code. No, FBV0, right? So now you enter. This is
Year
the
instead of
document.
2020
With
29.
no, hold on. No, this is a different document. No, this is a company code is different. I have to give the company code, right? The document was 6, right? Right. Now there is a option of deletion, right? Right. Option of deletion. You can delete. You want to delete? Yes. Document was deleted, right?
Yes.
So FBV0 is to post or delete. Now the balance is, you check already FS10N, right? F-65. Check F-65. Park document, right? You can use this transaction. F-65 too.
Park the document.
Yes. You can use FBV0, FBV1, and you can also use uh, F-65. Right. This is same. Right. This is just explanation, right? Parking of a document. Deletion we learned already. How to delete, how to display, how to park, how to check the balances. FBL3 and report, FS10 and report, FB03 document display. Now next we will cover today hold documents. So there are different types of document postings in SAP system, right? Regular posting, parking, and then hold a document, right?
So this is new lecture, whole document, right?
Yes. Hold a document. This is used for adjustment entries, right? So, right, you can hold a documents for debit and credit, right? System, when you post a document, system will assign a temporary document number, right? You can give any number, anything. So we can delete the whole documents also. Similarly, when we park a document, no balance update, right, in SAP. Similarly, for whole documents, no balance will update, right? Right. Now, see, this is just a difference between park and hold, right?
Yeah.
Purpose, parking we use when we have a senior person approval is required, we park a document. Why
Okay.
we have used whole documents? When we need to do adjustment entries, right? Adjustment entry, something went wrong, right? You have to adjust something, right? You have let's say you post a document and then later on you found out that this was a discount which was not applied, so you have to apply a discount, right? You can use, right? You hold it and then we get the approval and you do some certain adjustments, right? So you can
So
hold till,
parking can be done only by the manager, senior person. Hold can be done by anyone.
yeah, that's what I'm saying, right? So keep listening. GL updation in parking document, no GL is updated. Also, when you hold a document, no GL update will happen. Number ranges mean the document number, right? Number 6 document was the last document we have posted. Now in number ranges will be allotted from document type, right? Now if you have learned and revised your document type, you will understand what that means.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Number ranges are linked to your document type. Now if you go, so in In case of parking a document, system will give a document number from the number ranges that are linked to your document type. But in case of hold a document, number ranges will be assigned. You will give your own number, right?
Okay, on number.
Yes.
So these are differences. It's showing that number ranges we have to give document type in parking, but in hold we have on.
No. Number ranges. What is number range?
Number of ranges mean we range a thing for such periodic numbers.
No. What periodic numbers?
Periodic mean from this value to this value.
So your question is based on something that you should know, right? Number ranges. Number ranges are the range of numbers that system will take from those ranges and assign to your document. In case when you post a document, system will give a number to that document, right? How system will give that number? You define number ranges, right? My document type SA, which is a GL posting, my number for the documents should be from 1 to 1000, right? Where you give this? You give this in document type number range assignments, and you assign to your document type. Whenever you use that document type in your posting, system will, and you post a document, save the document, system will give a number, right?
Okay.
When you post a document, system will give document number, this was posted, right? How that number is coming? Through document type. Okay. Now, Pangish, you are not practicing. When you go OBA 7, I show you now. OBA 7, go to document type SA, go to details. You see number 01 is ID. If you want to see the detail, give the company code and system will tell you, look, for 2020, my number range is 00001 to 1000. And so far I have used 6 because my last document was 6 number document. When I post another document, it will be 7. That's how system
So
assigning the
then this
number.
number is given by the system.
You define this number. You remember
No,
in
I have
enterprise
defined the
structure?
range, but the number is given by the system. Let's say I give the range
Definitely,
0001 to.
definitely. What is the use then of SAP if you have to give the number to?
Yeah. No, just wanted to know because.
Okay, now next is you can delete. Yes, parking document can be deleted. Whole document also can be deleted. Can you change the park document? Yes, we can change the park. We learned it. Can we change the whole document? Yes, we can. Can we post a document using single line item? Yes, we can. Can we post can you hold a document using single line item? Yes, we can. Who is creating a parking document? Junior person, right? Who is creating a whole document? Anyone can do it. Who is posting a park document? Senior person usually. Who is holding? Who is posting a whole document? Same user can post. So after posting in parking, a park document is posted, document does not exist. Park document will not exist because it will convert to posted document, right? And similarly for whole documents also. After posting, no whole document will exist, right? So this is you. This is how you hold a document, right? And then when you hold a document, says you have to give a number, right? Right. So how to post a document, we will learn right now. I made the screen bigger for you.
Thank you.
No problem. F-02, right? This transaction code, right? Now you have to
For
give.
posting a document, this is the transaction code.
Yes, for posting a GL document, you also use F-02, but to hold a document, you use F-02. To park a document, you use F-65. For park a document, you can also use FBV0. You can change FBV1, or you can change FBV, or you can post, FBV0. You can change FBV3, display FBV3, or change V2, right? In SAP, 1 is to create, 2 is to change, 3 is to display. Remember.
Okay. Okay.
Now give the document date.
So,
Give,
my friend, can I ask you a question, sir, if you don't
sure.
mind?
Yes.
The date you just mentioned, document date, posting date, this you choose by yourself or you take a hint from somewhere. That's today's date. It's optional, compulsory. Mean,
When you work in accounting document, you receive many invoices.
yeah, exactly.
So when you have invoices in front of you, there will be a date, right, on that invoice.
Definitely, sir.
So you have to post, you have to enter that date. System by
Okay.
default, tomorrow it will automatically change this date to 7.
Oh, oh.
Next month it will go automatically 7 due to system design and the system date,
Mhm,
right?
mhm. Okay.
And when it go to 7, system will ask you posting period is not open. Let's say I put 7,
Mm.
right? And I put 7 here, July, right? These are the tiny basic things you should understand. Now you see, you're gonna say posting period 7 is not open. By
Mm.
mistake, if you enter wrong date, you can post in wrong month, right?
Okay. Okay.
You can offset any balances, right?
Mm.
That then your PNL will be not the true, right? It will be, it will not be balanced, right? Because your expense of June you're posting in July. That is against uh, the gap compliance, right? Now you will have to change the, how this posting period is coming. This 6, tell me.
This, so how the six comes?
Yeah.
The six comes with the date is six, and it's automatically the SAP assigns the six date. We put the date because it's today's date. So when
No, no, no,
it's
no, no. It's how it's coming. You define somewhere, right? Where you define these periods, tell
we
me.
define periods, okay, but the thing is we define
No,
period,
no,
we
then
define ranges. So when
no, no, no. We define periods too. Remember, you don't, right? We define fiscal year, right? Although we have a calendar year and we didn't define our periods because this is it's certain that calendar year starts from January and ends in December, right? But how this is coming? But when I put the date, system will automatically change this. Let's say, pay attention. Now I am going to post a document back date, May. Now system will change this. System will, you see, it's changed. How? Why is it changing?
it depends upon the month, the year, fiscal year, month,
That's
periods
my,
5.
yes sir. Where, what my question is, where we define these things? Tell me.
This period is defined in fiscal year now.
Yeah. But what is, so 5 now? Not 5. It's 6, right?
Yeah.
This is check document in future, right? Today is 6. What is the date today? 6, 7. Because in India it's 7 already, right? It's 6, 7. Anyway, enter. Specify account number, right? So what we are doing, we are posting, holding a document, right? So we will post any, we're posting salaries. We'll post $1,000. Give the business area 55. Give the tax. Salaries paid. Now you enter posting key 50. Go give bank GL account number. Give the same amount. Give the business area. Give the tax. Give the value date is used. What is value
So
date? Tell
one
me.
question, sir. One question. Here you give the GL account, bank account, word 02100. Remove the mouse so I can read it for you. Yes, 20010. How you came to know it's from 200 or 200100?
Yeah, this is a bank, right? Because I posted 5 documents. I remember now it's 200, 100. Or you can go from your drop down. You can see from here if you don't know, right? Posting key, enter posting key here, right? Another one. And then go here. The system will open a list of your GLs that defined in this company code. So his bank account is this one, right? Understood? Hello?
Yes, yes, yes. Mouse, the it was on mute. Yes, I understood.
Okay. Now you will, now you, if you save it, it will post a document. But we are not posting, we are holding a document. You go here and hold.
Oh,
Understood?
yeah. So, what will be the difference, sir? Hold and save.
Difference is, you tell me the difference now. I told you the difference. Now you give, let's say we give Khan, right, a temporary document number, hold a document. Document Khan was held.
Hold.
No update in the GL balance, right? That was difference we learned. Right? FS10N is the T code to see the balances of your GL. Give 200, 100, execute the transaction, and it will show you 69. No, I think so. We posted 1000. We held hold the document for 1000, right? Not updated. When I will post, it will update. I'll show you. Now, if you want to post the held document, you go and click here, get held document. Now give that document number which I gave Khan. It will open a document, same document, and then you post it. Now it gives
So,
the number, right?
so when I give the document Khan, so it is representing that this document is on hold.
Yes, you can give 1, 2, 3, 4 any number because system is not
Because
giving the number from the number ranges. Now when you post, system gave the number from number ranges, right? If you see number 7 is posted. Now if you see the balance is in your GL, not updated, right? I will refresh. Now 69 to 70, right? This document is posted now. Last 7 document is posted. Sequential numbers. Now we learned how to hold a document, how to post the whole document, held document. Next is a sample document.
sample document.
Yes, sample documents are used.
Okay, अब ये difference बता रहा है park, hold and sample का,
Yeah,
right?
yes, yes, that's what, right? That's the difference, right? Park on hold we covered. Now it's sample, right? Difference.
Mhm.
Now, what is sample document? This is used for month-end provisions. Month-end provisions क्या होते हैं? SAP, the provisions are used to set aside a certain amount to meet future expenditures. Let's say at the month end we need to pay salaries. We can create a provision that I need 100,000 to pay my employees. So SAP system will create a provision so you will not forget to pay those expenses like salaries in that case, right? You have to pay the mortgage, you have to pay the interest on your loan, you have to pay maybe lease, right? Anything you can create provision for. So rent, wages and salaries you can create as a provision. So sample document is used for, so you
So
create one
salaries, wages, rents, these come in the
no, no, I just gave an example, sir. You can create any GL as a provision, any provision, right? This is just few examples. You can create interest, commission, anything. Sample documents work like a template. Sample, you create a sample and using that sample you are posting every month, and you post always salaries, wages, rent, commission as a provision, right? So you will create one sample document. It will help you to do fast data entry.
data entry. Okay.
You know, when you work in the manufacturing industry, they have dies, right? same size, same thing, right? So once they create that die, the machine and material you put in, it will create the same size, same stuff every time.
Yeah.
Same way in SAP, you create a sample document, and using that sample document, you post every month, right? Sample document template will not update the ledger every month, and we copy the template and change the amount and post the document every month. Provisions can change. You create a template, right? Copy, right? So advantages of sample document is, advantages of sample document saves times. When we create sample document template, we will not forget any provision. Reminder, any provision in template is paid in the same month, right? If no provision is required for that account, so when we copy the template for the month for that account, enter amount as 0. I'll show you how, right? So this is just a difference, right? What is the difference? What is the purpose? Used for month end provision. GL update? No, nothing will update when we create the sample document. Yes, of course, when we post using sample document, it will update. Similarly, we saw in hold and parking as well. Number ranges, yes, we have to create the number ranges. We can delete the sample document, yes. We can change the sample document, yes. When create a single line item for that sample, yes. Who is creating? Any user can create. Who can post? Anyone can post, right? After posting, in case of hold and parking, the park document, hold document will convert it into posted document. In case of sample, sample document remains the same as a template, right? That documents will still exist in the system until you delete. So we use for sample document a separate number ranges, right? So we have to create the number ranges. How you create a number range? You know how to create a number range?
No, sir.
Why?
Number range.
You don't know how to create a number range, right? You don't know?
No, sir.
Why not?
I don't know.
Okay, so it's very simple, I tell you. So you don't know how to create the number ranges. So number ranges are very simple. You go to FBN1.
Did we study this before the sample doc? No, the range.
Oh, for the sample document we didn't, right? For the other regular documents, yes, we did. So we'll give the ID for your company, enter, right? Did we? Yeah, this is open. Now go to FBN1N, that's the number ranges for sample document.
FB.
FBN1 is in your notes again. Give your company code. I know my company code. Go to change intervals. Go to create interval. Give X2 is the ID for your sample document.
X2 is for everyone?
Yes, no, not for, X2 is not for everyone, sir. X2 is for the sample document, separate
Okay.
number ranges. For hold, we give our own number. For park, we system will assign a number from number range ID which is assigned to your document type. That's the difference. Now you go to 1001 to 1900.
99.
99, you're right. You can give. Save it. It's giving you a message that this is not transportable. Now it's done. Now we'll post, sorry, create a template f-01. So give me 1 second. So we have to create the number ranges, right? You can update the notes fbn1. Okay, then you can, this is done. Now create the one expense account, right? Master data, right? GL creation is master data, right?
Yeah.
Now T code is FS00, right?
Yeah.
Right? Now under expense, right? Administration expense, right? Group. We can copy and create, right? And then we have to make sure that this is, change the name of the account as general expense, right?
Yeah.
So we will create this 400, 300, what is the number? So is this GL 400, 300, right?
Yeah.
350. Let me see one thing.
ये किस लिए था change?
Hold on, hold on. Okay, I was checking. Okay, now we will,
इसकी जरा समझ नहीं आई था.
we'll create a GL. Simple. We'll create an expense, right? General expense, right? We will create a provision, right, for general expenses, right? And then we'll create a template, right? We'll create a sample document, right, using that GL, right? So we can take any GL, but I will create a GL, right? So how to create a GL? FS00. You change the company code, make sure you have within your company code. Now you will go to administration, right? 400, 300, right? The next number is 400, 301, right?
Yeah.
Right? Or you can copy and create it, right? I will create from the scratch 400, 301.
ये बिल्कुल मुझे सर पे नहीं लग रहा ये 400 300 रेंट एसी.
These are the list of your GL that are already created in your company code.
Oh.
We have created so many GLs, right?
Yeah.
Right? Now these will show, right? And now I'm creating another one. Simple. Right? Create another one under same, right?
दोबारा से कर दे थोड़ा सा. हाँ जी.
Now this one you can create, right? 403 and 1, right? 400 301. And
Oh.
make sure you enter your company code, right? Now you go
Okay.
enter. Now you have to choose the group administration expense. It's a P&L account. You can say anything, right? General expenses, right? General expense account. And then you can always copy it. Account. Go to control data tab. That's how you create a GL, right? Don't check this. Give the line item display. Give the sort key. What is sort key? Tell me.
40.
Yes. What is
EV.
field
EV.
status group? What is field status group?
Field status group.
Okay. Now you will save it. Now we'll see 301 will come here, right? This new created. Right. Now we'll use this GL to
So
create a
you saved the document. We just not before this lecture. We before 2 lectures we did this thing, right?
yes, and like this is fourth lecture on GL, right? We're creating GL, right? We created GL, we posted document, we posted so many types of document. Now we are learning how to hold a document. Now you go to F-01. To post a document, you use F-02. To hold a document, you use F-01. Now dates will come automatic, period will come automatic, document type will change, right? If you use F-02, document type by default will come SA. For F-01, this is SAP design, it will default to document type AB, which is a accounting document. Now
So what mistake should I should not make here?
what mistake?
Sure, that I should not repeat here. AB instead of AB.
No, don't need to change, system by default will gives you the document type. Don't worry, don't need to change anything. Just go to the account we have created, general expense, right? Give the general expense. Now give 5,000 as a amount, give the business area 555, provision for expenses, right? Now you give the bank, which is 200 100, press enter, give 5,000, give business area 555, give the tax provision value date, right? Now this is a sample document, you see it says sample document. You see we have provided number ranges 1001 to 1999, right? This is coming against this AB document type, right? X2. Now you want to post this document, right?
Yeah.
This is
So
done.
what we have to do? Post
So
it.
this
Is
is
it
done.
posted?
Yes, it is. Sample document is posted. Now we will use this sample document to post uh, a document, right? You can see F-02, same transaction code. You can FBM3, you can see that you can display this sample document, right? You can change it, always display it. 1001 document will come, right? This is the document.
Oh, you
FBM3.
went to the documents. Mean you went documents and display. You press display.
Every time, so this is not new, right? I'm doing so many times, right? Sample document change. You can go to change the document, double click and you can change any description and all those things. Go back. Sample document, you can change the amount, right? But posted document, you cannot. Now you can go check the FS10 and the balances, right? Balance will not update. No data, right? For this GL. Now once I post, so we can post a document using this sample document, right? Give the date. Now you can see there will be option post with reference, right? Right. Number 7. What was our document? That was sample document 7, right?
7.
Right. Now you see here post with reference, or you can also go from here to right post with reference. Two fields, right? Give the document number already. System will default, right? And then display line items you can check, right? Give the document and all those things and post it. So you can see you want to display, yes, enter. You see system fills everything automatically. You see right? No, this is not the, sorry, my bad. Six, post with reference. So document number is not 71001, right?
Yeah.
Give the wrong document number. You see, AB, same, right? You can display, this is a document, right? Salaries to bank. No, this is 7. You have to make sure this is 1001, right? Post, enter 5000, general expenses, and then you can post. Document is 8 is posted. Now if you see the balance FS10N for this 301400, you will see this balance is updated 5000. This is new GL, right?
This is to see the balance, right? The 01.
FS10N, right? And you can see the FP03 always, right? To display a FI document. A document will automatically come. This is a document. Next we will see FBM2 is to change the sample document, delete the sample document F-57, right? We will continue in our next session our reoccurring documents, right? FBD1, right? We'll take this in the next session.